You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from French. This name in French is pronounced as Edith. The TH sound doesn't exist in French, so the H essentially doesn't do anything, which it hardly ever does in French anyways. So it's pronounced Edith. Edith. There's no stress on any particular syllable. It's not the first one, or it's not Edith or Edith. Edith. French pronunciation, how to pronounce Edith. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.